how we do it here. This is the iPhone 12 in white. This is the iPhone 12 in red. This is the iPhone 12 in blue. This is the iPhone 12 in green. And this is the iPhone 12 in black. 5 iPhone 12s, all the colors. We will be checking them out. So if you do not really know what iPhone to get, well, first of all, I'm actually giving one of these away to one of you guys. There's 2 simple rules to enter the giveaway of the iPhone 12. This is coming from my own pocket, just to thank you guys for just being awesome. 2 simple rules. 1, go follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description, and you'll see a post and you'll have to comment and all that stuff. And 2, be happy because life is good. Let's start. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's start unboxing the brand new iPhone 12. Okay, so here's the brand new box of the iPhone 12. It's much slimmer, and that is because Apple has removed the power brick and the ear pods inside of the actual box to say sustainability. First one to go is iPhone 12 in white. Let's go ahead and open the first one, and there you go. Boom, shabam. This is the first time that I'm ever seeing an iPhone 12 in person, and this white is just awesome. What do we get in the box? We're only gonna check this out one time. We get pen eject tool, warranty info, and only one Apple sticker, which is sustainability. You know, we gotta care about the earth. Earth is great. Mother Nature loves us, and we love you, Mother Nature, too. We also get USB-C to Lightning cable, and that's it. That's everything that comes in the box this year for the iPhone 12. And we also get this brand new pull eject tool. Let's do this. This is so satisfying. And this is it. This is the white color. I like the aluminum frames. One of the differences with the 12 Pro is the stainless steel sides versus the aluminum side. So this is the 12 Pro, as you guys can see. This one's shiny, this one isn't. But anyways, this is the 12 in white. Next up on the list, 12 in red. Boom, shop, bam. This is the red one. Oh boy. Red is for the crazy ones, and boom! That doesn't really look that red. It's kind of like this peachy color. It's cool though. This is cool. The aluminum sides are so cool. We also get one thing that's different with the iPhone 12 and product red is this pamphlet, which gives you all the information for the product red foundation. So I always tell you guys, if you don't really know which iPhone to get the product red, because you know, you're also helping the world. First of all, because no power brick, so sustainability. And second of all, iPhone 12 comes in the box. Next up, what else is here? iPhone 12 in blue. Let's do this. Blue is for the people who love the ocean. iPhone 12 in blue, boom. And wow, that is a dark blue. That is some dark blue. It matches my outfit right now. This is cool. Same thing in the box. Also, this, I can never have enough of this. We can do it all day. Satisfying, so satisfying. Also, here's something new, MagSafe. MagSafe is sold separately, but check this out. And it charges automatically. It's magnetic, boom, 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 and boom. If you don't know which iPhone to get, whether the 12 or the 12 Pro, don't worry, because I will be doing a comparison video this week, so subscribe if you're new. Welcome aboard. All right, 2 more to go. This is the green iPhone. You thought we were never gonna see a green iPhone? Well, here it is, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Let's do this. Oh yeah. This is super cool. I really like this color. It's kind of like a mint color. And that's the iPhone 12 in green. Brand new with this iPhone is ceramic shield as well. Apple has put another layer of glass called ceramic shield, and it should be more protective for drops. So if you're a clumsy person like me, you're gonna appreciate this. Okay, this is the moment. Last, but definitely not least, because I know there's a lot of people that want this iPhone, the black iPhone. I always say that if you get like an iPhone 12 that comes in a bunch of fun colors, get a fun color. Here we go. This is the last unboxing of the year. This is the last iPhone unboxing. I'm sad right now. I'm emotional. I don't want this to end. I want iPhone unboxing to last forever. I'm emotional right now. I'm about to cry. This is ridiculous. Last iPhone unboxing. Let's go, baby. 1, 2, and 3. And this is the black. This actually looks super nice. This looks super, super cool. Actually, I might say that this is probably the most beautiful iPhone 12. I mean, this looks super, super classy. I absolutely love this. I might say that this is even more classy than the 12 Pro, because the 12 Pro gets dirty like the sides and this doesn't get dirty. This is a very minimal look. This is pretty. I said that it was a boring phone, but holy, this looks great. Okay, so here we go. Here are all the colors available for the iPhone 12. We've got it in green, we've got it in red, we've got it in blue, we've got it in black, and we've got it in white. If I have to choose my ranking of my favorite to least favorite, I'm gonna have to say black one is my favorite, then white, then blue, then red, and then mint. I'm not saying that mint is an ugly color, but it definitely just doesn't fit my style. That's all the colors. Let's do this. I want to show you this. I want to hold 5 iPhones in my hand. Again, this is the best thing in the world. And here we go. I am holding 5 iPhones right now, 5 iPhone 12s. This is absolutely awesome. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite iPhone 12 color? Holy moly macaroni. Good luck. You can actually win one of these guys. You know, join the giveaway, don't forget, but this is absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making this my job. Thank you so much for making actually this possible. And I will see you in a bunch of iPhone 12 content. I mean, this week is gonna be crazy. Peace.